Hello YouTube, my name is Davek Theo and welcome back to my channel. So if you're here right now, it's because you want to see some car content, right? So today I'm going to show you 5 things I don't like about this car. I know what you're saying. You say, hey, you told me last time you love so many things. Yes, I love this car a lot. But there are 5 things that I just don't know why. I just like why? I don't know. And today I'm going to show you those 5 things. Now, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit that notification icon, and follow me on Instagram. You will see amazing pictures that I have on this car there. So, let's go. The first thing I do not like about this car is the fact that every time you start, it's always on a weird settings. Efficient, sport, sport. Let me show you. So I'm starting the car right now. Alright, so as you can see, it has the power in efficient, but the suspension in sport and the steering wheel in sport. And why though? Why don't you start in efficient, comfort, comfort? This is what I want. Now I know you might say that, oh, you can just program that and press the M1 button. Yes, I can do that, but I don't want to waste my M1 button onto efficient mode. To me, this is how the car should start in efficient, so that when I'm driving to work, I'm driving on a nice comfort ride and in efficient mode, so I save on gas. And if I'm, on Friday night, or if someone is trying me on the street, I press the M1 button or the M2 button, then the car becomes aggressive. This is what I would like to have, but instead I have this. And then the worst thing about it is that even that I put place like that, if I turn off the car, let's say I turn off the car, I talk to someone on the car on the phone or whatever, and I turn on the car again, 1 minute later it will go back to efficient sport. Yep, it doesn't even remember that. So it's by default, it is efficient sport. Now I got used to driving efficient sport, but every now and then I will change it back to efficient comfort. So that's the first thing I don't like about this car. The second thing I do not like about the car is not the center arm rest right here, but the sound, the buzzing sound it makes anytime I'm driving. So I can't show you that right now because it may not happen. It's like once every other day you have a buzzy sound that happens when you drive, and it drives me crazy. Now I took it to the dealership, they fixed it once, it came back, so I will take it again so that they can fix it. So apparently what is happening is that inside the center armrest right here, there are two pieces that touch each other as you drive, and that's what's actually making the sound. So yeah, that drives me nuts, because I like a quiet ride. I only want to hear the exhaust, and yeah, what I hear is the exhaust and that stupid sound. The third thing I do not like about this car is the gas tank. This is where you put the gas, right? BMW put on this car a 15.8 gallon tank, so it's not really enough for me. Now this car goes from 17 city to 25 highways, and usually I'm average around 22, and I do city and highway driving on my daily drives. And every week I have to go to the petrol pump because it's just not enough gas in it. Now this car doesn't consume a lot of gas, because when you see similar cars with the same amount of power, trust me, they average like 15, 17, and I average 22. So this is very a good car on gas, but the fact that it has a small tank make you feel like it's actually very thirsty. So if this car was equipped with maybe a 20-gallon tank, you would not feel that way. And I actually wish that the next M3 will have a bigger tank so that people can actually enjoy the ride more and not always stopping at a petrol pump to put gas. So yes, and you have to put 93 premium unleaded gas on this thing. Yeah. Another thing that actually I don't know if I don't like it or I like it, but I just chose to put it on the I don't like category because it doesn't give me all the joy that I actually want. Now, what I'm talking about is the exhaust. See these quad tips right there? That two on that side and two on this side. Now, the M3 comes with three type of exhaust. The regular M3 comes with the silver exhaust, that's just a regular M3 exhaust. The competition pack comes with a competition exhaust, and then you can choose to actually buy the M Performance exhaust. Now, when you order your car brand new, you can select to only order the M Performance exhaust. Now, you can have a regular M3 with the M Performance exhaust. You can have a competition pack with the M Performance exhaust, but you cannot have a regular M3 with a competition exhaust unless you order the competition package when you purchase the car. So now there's a lot of controversy because the previous generation M3s were really aspirated engines and they sounded really good, especially the E92 M3. That V8, man, that was screaming. Now I'm going to show you a few clips of how this one sounds. I have sounds for when the valves are closed. I will do sound when the valves are open. The final thing I don't like about this car is the fact that not all four doors are equipped with the comfort access. It's only the front and the front passenger that are equipped with the comfort access. So what is comfort access? Comfort access is simply the fact that if you have your key in your pocket, you can come and unlock the car without actually pressing any button. And if you want to lock the car again, you just simply touch here and then it locks the car. Now, if all four doors were equipped with this option, I could just come and do the same steps on the back here. You can see nothing happens. That's because the back doesn't have those sensors. Now, if what I usually do is I will just come and just put my hands here, it will open. Then I will come and open the back door. Now, I wish that all four doors were equipped with comfort access. Now, Mercedes and Audis, they have comfort access on all four doors, so I'm not sure why BMW tried to be cheap a little bit by not putting the sensor on those two back doors. So that's the final thing that I do not like about this car. As you can see, the things I don't like about the car are very minor. It's not like things that I cannot live without. So I love this car and I will continue to drive this car for the next how many years, and these few items that I mentioned to you are not going to stop me from loving the car. This is a beautiful and fantastic car, and I think BMW really did a fascinating job at creating this piece of art. Now, there are a few things that I don't like, yes, but every single car that I've ever owned always had things that I don't like. So I really believe that every single car I will ever own will always have things that I do not like. Now, these are not really big things. The only item that I could say that is really getting on my nerve is that buzzing sound. That drives me crazy. Now, I hope that when I take it to the dealer, they fix it and I don't have to worry about it, and that would decrease the amount of stuff that I have to do. Yes, I can press the M1 button for efficient comfort, but I just don't want to waste that button for that. Yes, I can live with the exhaust that doesn't make the best sound that I prefer. Yes, I can just continue to press the button over there to unlock the back door. All these things are a few workarounds that I already live with, so this is not the end of the world for me. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and follow me on Instagram. That's it, I'm out. Be safe, guys.